In this video, I'm going to show you how I got this super moisturized and defined look with using Alikay Natural products that are now found in select CVS stores. If you want to see how, stay tuned. So I'm going to be starting off with my hair already shampooed and conditioned, and I'm going to go straight in with the Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner. So I haven't smelled this yet. It smells good, and you can smell that everything is natural in here because it doesn't smell like artificial. This is what it looks like inside. It's thick enough to coat, but it's also thin enough to really go through like a liquid, so it's not too, doesn't feel like it'd be too much on my hair. It won't weigh it down. So I'm just gonna go in with what's on my fingers. And even just that small amount that was on my fingers, I'm gonna put a lot more, but just that small amount that was on my fingers seemed to coat it pretty well, actually. So I just washed out the deep conditioner. My hair is about to look crazy, but it is so incredibly soft. And my curls are coming all the way through. And this is absolutely no product in my hair right now. And my curls already look like this. I am pretty impressed. So what I'm gonna do first is just separate off my hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Detangler, and this actually seems like it's pretty watery. It's very loose. It's a very loose product. So it comes out like this, like it's very loose. Ooh. Oh, it's like an islandy coconut smell. It smells really good. Ooh. I hope the smell lasts because it smells so good. And I'm just gonna make sure every part is thoroughly detangled. That was pretty simple. I expected, oh wow. I expected it to be way more than that, but this is a good sign. I'm just gonna go through and detangle all of my hair. So, with this detangler, I didn't even use a lot. So it was up here, I think, when I started, and now you can see it's right here. You can see it? It's just right here. And all of my hair detangled like that. I've never had that experience before. So now that my hair is all detangled, I'm going to go in with the Lemongrass leave-in conditioner, and it smells so good. It smells like maybe like a yellow Skittle, or even like the yellow Starburst. It just smells so good. It is more, it's thicker than what you would think it would be, and it actually clumps up. You see how it's not going as fast as the Detangler was? It's thicker, because it almost seems like it's a mix between a liquid and a cream. Oh, it smells so good. It literally smells like I would be eating this. I'm not gonna, but it smells that way. And you can really tell with all of these products, like you can tell that they're made with natural ingredients just from how they look and how they feel. In the deep conditioner, you can actually feel all the herbs that are in there. So now it's time to style the hair, and I'm gonna go in with the Shea Yogurt hair moisturizer. All these products smell amazing, but this one, it's a butter, so it feels very, very creamy. It is hard when you first get it out, and then when you rub it, that's when you get the cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right here. But everything, I always try to make sure that I coat it from the top to the bottom. So now that I'm done doing all of my twists, they're all in here, I am going to go in with the Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. One of the hair tips on the packaging says that scalp massages increase blood circulation in the scalp, which causes the pores to open and absorb the essential oils. And so that's exactly what I want to do. And I'm going to shake it up because, once again, you can tell everything has the actual natural ingredients in here, because look at this on the bottom. Like, you can see it along the bottom. So I want to shake that up and mix all of this goodness into the oil so that it can go right into my hair. So now it's clear. Let's go ahead and put it directly on my scalp. It's very minty. Ooh. I definitely don't want to waste it, so I'm just gonna, I should put it in my hand first, yeah. It's very minty smelling, which smells great to me. And then when they are dry, I will come back and show you what the hair is looking like. And then now that my hair is fully dry, I'm going to take the Glazed Argan Oil Silkner, and I'm just going to spray that lightly in my hands and start to take out my twists and separate. Now, because the Shea yogurt already had so much oil in it, I don't need a whole lot of this, but it's just to kind of combat any frizz that I might get. So this is actually a pump and not a spray, which makes it that much better. And So that is excellent. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that all in. And this smells actually like the Shea yogurt. And then I'm just gonna begin to take it down. And it is extremely moisturized with all that definition. So this is how my hair turned out, and I don't know if you can tell by this smile, but I'm excited. My curls are just so defined, like everything is so nice and it's extremely shiny. I'm so happy because this is nice. Like, this is first day hair. I just took it out. It looks fluffy. I feel like it's going to stay like this as well, because even as I'm separating it, it's not fluffing out too much. The fluff and frizz mainly came from when I started picking it, so I'm assuming if I don't pick it anymore and I make sure that, you know, I do the proper things at night, put it in the ponytails, put on my bonnet, and then just kind of shake it out in the morning, I'm pretty sure this will last for a while, which that makes me even more happy, because like, who doesn't want their style to last for at least a week and a half? Of course, like I don't necessarily have one favorite. I loved everything in this line, but I truly enjoyed this Not to Be Gone. My hair has never detangled that quickly, ever, never, especially in big sections like that. It's just not happening. And this product did it with ease. Like, they were just gone. All my tangles, knots, anything, gone completely. And of course, I mean, the lemongrass. Like, I absolutely love this stuff. And I feel like because this has a lot of oil in it, the Shea yogurt, because this has a lot of oil in it, and then this being a leave-in, I think paired together, this was amazing, because this kept my moisture and this sealed it all in. And I think that that helped a whole lot with everything. But like I said, I loved the whole line. But those were just a few of the standouts for me. But especially this Shea yogurt, because I was thinking that this was going to just be like a nice butter. I was just thinking it was going to be softening. I was thinking that it was going to seal in my moisture and give me like a tiny bit of definition. But this is definition. Like, I need to stop coming up there because y'all done already seen it. But like, this is a definition that I did not expect. And it didn't take long to do it. Everything was shortened with my detangling process, and then with this being a spray instead of a cream, I honestly feel like this helped me to not overuse it, because it is a spray, so it goes through my strands I guess like a little more easily than a cream would, or maybe I just get too heavy-handed with creams. And then I know I was heavy-handed with this. However, I mean, the definition speaks for itself, so I'm fine with being heavy-handed, because I ended up using quite a bit, and it was truly full, like up to here. So did I need this much? Probably not. I was just really heavy-handed because normally my hair is extremely dry, but with these products now, I know in the future I won't have to do that, because I know that my hair is not going to be dry. One thing I absolutely love about all these products is that they're all made with natural ingredients and they're all organic, so there's no harsh chemicals. I don't even have to worry about reading what's in it, because I know for sure like there's not going to be anything that's going to harm my hair. And I love that you can tell that it's natural. In the deep conditioner you can feel it, and everything else you can see it and feel it. And the smell, there's no artificial smell behind it. It just all smells so nice, and it's just, and you can find them at select CVS's, so it just makes it even that much better. And y'all know there's a CVS on every corner. Like everywhere you look, it's CVS, CVS. There goes CVS. And so you get natural and organic products that actually work and do what they say that they're going to do. And you can find them right around the corner at your local CVS. Y'all did that. I am in love. Another thing that I really like about these products, they have, and I'm going to come up a little closer. So on them, they have what type of hair you should have to use this product. Now, I'm sure that if you do have wavy hair, you could probably still use this product, even though it's not listed. But it lets me know that this is very good for kinky and curly hair. And then for, like, say for the oil, you have kinky, curly, wavy, and straight. So it has it clearly labeled right here, which is also amazing, because then it doesn't leave you using a product that's not necessarily meant specifically for your hair type. Thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.